Now, when you get to trying to diagnose the water inlet valve and the CIP pump, the water inlet valve, you should go ahead and diagnose and make sure that that is functioning before you diagnose the CIP pump. And I'll tell you this because if the water inlet valve isn't closing, it's a normally open valve. It only gets called upon to close during the weekly cleanings. As far as I know, that's about the only time that thing gets called on to close. If it stays open during the weekly cleaning while the CIP pump is running, CIP pump will cut out, and you'll think that there's a problem with the CIP pump. The CIP pump has a 35 PSI cutout switch built into it, and the line water pressure, the head pressure to the machine will cause it to not push past the pressure from the water supply. So you want to identify the water inlet valve is working correctly, and to do so, run some water. Like we did with the water dispense, go ahead and start running the water for water dispense. And when you turn on the water inlet valve, it should stop the flow of water. If it still weeps, still drips, or runs fully, that water inlet valve, the white valve on the top block, has failed and is not feeding correctly and will need to be replaced.